Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Studio not working on PC. First, refresh the page. Sometimes YouTube is not working on PC, just loads incorrectly. Press F5 and click the refresh button and wait few seconds. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly. Try opening another website to confirm your internet is working. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies. If you are using Chrome, click the three dots, go to the settings, then privacy and security, and click clear browser data. Select cookies and cached image, then clear them. After that, restart your browser and open the YouTube Studio again. If you are using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. This helps you check if the problem is browser related. An outdated browser can cause loading issue. Make sure you are using the latest version. You can also log out and log back into the YouTube account. This can fix account scan issues. If nothing works, check if YouTube is down. Sometimes the problem is on YouTube side, not yours. In the case, wait a little and try again later. And finally, restart your PC. It sounds simple, but it often fixes background issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.